Want to enable iMessage on your iPhone? First, open Settings, scroll down and tap Messages. Toggle iMessage on and activating. Status may appear for a minute while Apple verifies your number. Keep Wi-Fi or cellular data active and don't close settings until it switches on. If you'd rather make sure everything routes correctly, stay on the Messages screen and tap Send and Receive. Check that your phone number and your Apple ID email are both selected under You can receive iMessages to and reply from. Choose which caller ID, number, or email you want to start new conversations from at the bottom, then back out and open the Messages app to test by sending a message to a contact also using iMessage. Blue bubble confirms success. Keep in mind activation can fail if the date, time, or time zone are wrong. If there's no SMS balance, some carriers require a silent activation SMS, or if you recently swapped SIMs, toggle airplane mode off/on, or sign out then back into your Apple ID under Settings if activation stalls over 24 hours. That's all it takes to enable iMessage on iPhone. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite iOS messaging tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.